What up, people? It's vdoestech, and today we are checking out a 7-in-1 docking station from Baseus. Now, I am a huge user of Samsung decks. When I'm not using it wireless, I'm currently using an HDMI to Type-C cable. The only problem with that is I have no way of connecting anything to it. So I'm hoping with this, since you can connect up to 7 things, that should definitely take care of that problem. So what you get in the box, you get a user manual, and you get, I am not entirely sure what these are. Are they bumpers for the feet, possibly? But I'm not sure what they are, but you get 4 of, oh, so they're silicone sheets. Okay. Not exactly sure what you use those for. Maybe you put them on the bottom of it. Oh, and so there's nothing on the inside of this box. And in this one, you get a Type-C to C charge cable.
And in this one, you get, what is this one? Survey says.
You get nothing. It's an empty box. All that for nothing. Okay, well, that's different. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. But the Type-C cable is really nice. It's braided. Let's see how long this is. Go ahead and unravel this. And so it's a really decent length. I'm glad to see that. A lot of things we've been getting lately, the cords have actually been kind of short. So I'm glad that that's a decent length. So now once you take it out the package, this is what it looks like. It's a nice black. Is it a fingerprint magnet? Not really. That's nice. I will say one thing, being totally honest, this isn't winning any awards for build quality. I mean, it's not terrible, but I wouldn't say this is one of the best felt items. But let's see, the lid comes down pretty easy. So over here on the left side, you get 2 USB 2.0 ports. On the back, you have your 4K HD HDMI port. You have your USB-C port, Type-C. You have your USB 3.0, so 2 2.0s on the side, 1 3.0. You have your micro SD card, and then your regular SD card. So I will say that, so I'm guessing the silicone sheets, possibly, are you supposed to put it like this? Maybe right here. Not entirely sure. Or, oh, you got it. I'm slow. You put it in here. That way you're not scratching up whatever device you use. I didn't even think of that. That makes so much more sense. So it just goes in there like that. Okay, so that's nice. So let's go ahead and let's throw. So this is my Note 20 Ultra. Go ahead and plop it right on there. So as you can see, it goes on just fine. Let me lower the brightness, probably blinding y'all right now. So as you can see, it goes on just fine. I will say I'm a bit nervous about putting my tablet on there, because with the phone, it's not the sturdiest. I'm a little bit nervous with just my Note. So with my tablet, this is going to be extra nerve-wracking. But I will say, if you like put it in a safe area, not like on the corner of a table or something, you should be just fine. But yeah, that works. I'm not going to put it on the tablet now. I'll put my tablet on there in the little demo part. But let me go ahead. Let me do this while we're here. Let's see if it charges. So I have my Type-C charging cable right here. And so we will charge it up from the back right here. And nothing has happened so far. Oh, there it is. So it is fast charging. It is not super fast charging. So let me just show you real quick. I am using the Samsung charger. So if I plug it in this way right now, it's super fast charging, 44 minutes until full. Let's go ahead and plug it in directly to here. And then we will go ahead and put it on the dock right there. 3, 2, 1. So it takes about 3 to 5 seconds for it to start charging, but as you can see, it's fast charging only. So 50 minutes till full charge. So not the worst, at least you are still getting fast charge. So let's go ahead and hook it up to a HDMI through my monitor, and we'll see how Samsung DeX and everything works from here. All right, so check it out. As you can see, I have the Note 20 currently hooked up. To the left of it is where the mouse dongle, which allows me to move the mouse on the screen. And to the right, which is where the 3.0 was, we will connect the USB hard drive. And so we will go to Files, and you will see USB storage pop up. That means now I have all of my files that I currently have stored on the hard drive on my phone. That is exactly what I basically got this for. So now let's go ahead and exit out of that. Say you want to watch something on YouTube. I did say that this had 4K output. Let's go ahead and hit play. Come over here. We will go Stats for Nerds. If you can see in the top left corner, it is putting out 3840. That's 4K. Close enough. We got to exit out of here because we don't want to get copyrighted for that. So let's go ahead and move out of YouTube. And let's say you want to search something on Chrome. This is exactly the same thing that you can do on your laptop with no issues. And that's just for the phone. I did say I wanted this the most for my tablet. So let's go ahead and try to test it out on the tablet. All right, and for the final test, we will go ahead and connect the tablet. Now, like I said, I don't feel the most secure with having it hooked up to my tablet, but as you can see, everything connected. It connected right away, actually, much faster than it did on the phone. So I don't know if that's good or if that's bad, but hey, it connected right away. Now, it is a little bit shaky, but if you have it in the middle of the table, you should have no issues at all. Let's go ahead and hit YouTube. As you can see, we have YouTube in the corner over here. We can go ahead and let's open some Chrome. We have a tab right there. And so as you can see, everything works perfectly, no issues at all. For $30 on Amazon, this could be worth picking up. Let's go ahead. I don't know if you can see in the corner, it is charging. So that's one problem I was kind of worrying about, but don't have to worry about that. It's charging. Let's go ahead and open a file. So if we open our files, you can see the same thing. I still have the storage connected. I didn't even have to disconnect it. I just hooked the tablet up and it connected right away. So for $30 on Amazon, this could be a pretty good buy. It's vdoestech. I'll catch you in the next one. Later.